Hello YouTube. Yes, I will do a new video of my fire alarm system because my old video was bad. I sometimes mumbled, so I decided to make a new one. So we can start now. I have got the cable. It goes from the outlet to the transformer. It transforms 240 volts into 24 volts DC. Yes, from the transformer goes the first cable, two different cables. That's a plus cable. It goes to the switch. From the switch, just a normal cable I did myself to the alarm, and from the alarm goes back the minus cable, of course. That's not the minus. That's a minus cable. Yes, the switch. From the front, the switch. It works. If that button is pushed, the alarm don't go on. But if that's not pushed, the alarm go on. It works very easy. This rounding keeps it pushed as long as I pull down it, because if I pull on this, you see, wait, this corner keeps it that the switch can't spring back, because while I'm pulling down this, the button springs out, snaps here, and this can't spring back. So the button isn't pushed anymore, and the alarm goes on. Yes, that was the switch. I'll have to close it. So, yes, the alarm. I have an EST fire alarm. It has got a strobe and a horn, a very loud horn. I can change them to continuous or code 3, and the strobe is 1557 75 CD. Yes, so much to my fire alarm. That's it first. I will be back. So here I am back. Yes, I put my alarm to the wall again. So for the end,